Good morning, students. This is the next video continuation of bacterial of kingdom Monera, and in this video I will discuss about the reproduction in bacteria. We have already know that bacteria of producing and producing the population through the help of reproduction, and this reproduction includes the asexual mode of reproduction or asexual reproduction. Beside the asexual reproduction, there will be the sexual reproduction, in which genetic recombination take place. That this is a specialized kind of sexual reproduction where which are performing during the reproduction in bacteria. So first we will discuss I will discuss about the asexual reproduction. The asexual reproduction in bacteria is most common. Clear? And in most of bacteria reproduce through the asexual mode of reproduction. The asexual reproduction includes the binary fission, budding, and endospore formation. These three kind of mode of reproduction, asexual reproduction, is very common in bacteria. So in a lower class you have already read about the binary fission and budding. Clear? So let's quick revise the mode of asexual reproduction, that is binary fission. Binary fission, the term binary means they two. So whenever a parent bacteria divide mitotically and produce two daughter cells. Clear? So asexual reproduction involving the mitotic division, and due to the mitotic division, individual producing the two daughter cells as the same kind. Clear? So bacterial parent cells divide mitotic division and producing two same kind of daughter cells, that is called binary fission. These binary fission, you can see this is a bacterial cell, and inside the plasma cytoplasm, this is the DNA, and this DNA and cytoplasm get processed under the division, and cytokinesis and karyokinesis both are performed side by side. So first steps during the division, that is cell elongation. Bacterial cell get elongated, and the cell wall constriction take place, means a furrow like structure take place outside the cell wall and plasma membrane. So the constriction take place in the plasma membrane, and that's why the parent cell constricted and divided into two daughter cells, as you can see in this diagram. Due to the constriction, the genetic material of the bacteria as well as the cytoplasm of bacteria both are divided equally, and this you can see the both DNA and cytoplasm divide equally, and producing separated into the two daughter cells with having same proportion of cytoplasm and DNA. So this is the kind of binary fission. In binary fission, there will be the mitotic division, and during mitotic division cytokinesis and karyokinesis both take place side by side. Next mode this so During the binary fission, there will be no spindle fibers formed. Clear? It is a simple mitotic division. Next is the budding. Budding is the another mode of asexual reproduction in bacteria. In buddings, parent cell bulges out. A small part of the parent bacterial cell bulge out, swell out, and performing as a bud-like structure. Clear? These bud eventually separated from the parent cells by the constriction and develop into a new bacterial cells. So these are the budding process. As you can see, these are the parent bacteria, and they produce a bulging structure that is called bud. And these bud initially connected with the parent cells. So whenever these bud attaining a proper shape and size, they are constructed from the parent cells and separated from the parent cells, and this is called the bud cells, that is the daughter bacterial cells. So this is a common budding. This is the common process of the asexual reproduction. Next is the endospore formation. Endospore formation occurs whenever bacteria faces any kind of stress, environmental unfavorable condition. Whenever bacteria grows under the unfavorable condition, they start to producing a specialized cell that is called endospore. These endospore have the capability to survive in the harsh condition, and it helping bacteria to survive in the harsh condition, and means unfavorable condition. So this is the specialized spore like structure which are found inside the bacteria, and it is whenever the condition is good, so these endospores converted into the healthy daughter bacterial cells. Clear? So this is very important cells, that is act that is produced during the extreme environmental condition. They are made up of with thick celled, and it is a long lived ability to survive in the harsh condition. So this and azotobacter produces this endospore cyst like structure. So that is all about the asexual reproduction. In my upcoming video, I will discuss about the sexual mode of reproduction in bacteria, and significant economical use of bacteria. Here all these topics will continue later.